Narcissists are well known for their jealous nature. They want everyone to notice how incredible they are and dislike it when someone gets more attention than them. But how do you make a narcissist jealous? It's not easy, but it's not impossible either. Here are 10 tips to make a narcissist jealous. Number 1. Show them that you don't need them. Narcissists can't handle the idea that someone else doesn't want or need them. They want to feel like they're the center of the universe and that everyone else is orbiting around them. They'll be so impressed by your ability to function without them that they'll be left with no choice but to try to win you back. The best way to do this is by being honest with yourself and taking some time away from the narcissist. Don't call or text them. Just focus on yourself and your happiness for a while. Stop asking their opinion on everything and making them feel like the most important person in your life. Focus on yourself more, and don't be afraid to make decisions without their input. Number 2. Date someone else. If you want to make a narcissist jealous, the best thing you can do is date someone else. This is the most obvious and straightforward way to make a narcissist jealous, but it's also the most effective. Narcissists are inherently jealous and competitive because they're so focused on themselves. Narcissists hate feeling like they're not the only person in your life, especially if that person is a threat to their ego or their social status. If you date someone else and treat them well, that will drive your narcissist crazy. Narcissists are often very insecure and will do anything they can to make sure other people don't get what they have. They won't be able to take it and will do anything in their power to get you back on their side so they can have all of your attention again. Number 3. Be more successful than them. Narcissists are jealous of others because they want to feel better about themselves. To make a narcissist jealous, you need to be more successful than them. Narcissists are threatened by more successful people because they fear their success is not enough. Narcissists are competitive, so if you have something that makes you stand out from the crowd, they'll notice and be envious of it. For example, suppose you have a great job with a lot of responsibility and high pay. In that case, that's an easy way to get the attention of narcissists. Being more successful than them will make them feel insecure and inferior, which will make them jealous. Number 4. Don't give them enough attention. Narcissists like to be the center of attention all the time. They want people to look at them and brag themselves to anyone who will listen. Don't give them enough attention if you want to make a narcissist jealous. Narcissists love attention, but they also hate to share it. Suppose you're constantly giving someone else the attention they crave. In that case, narcissists feel like they're not getting enough of what they want. And that's when jealousy comes in. Giving them less attention than they usually get will have them feel ignored and not valued. Narcissists need constant validation and attention from others to feel secure in their self-worth and importance. This will cause them to feel insecure about whether or not they are special enough for you to spend time with them. Number 5. Talk to more attractive or successful people. Narcissists tend to be insecure and try to make themselves feel better by comparing themselves to others. This will make them realize they aren't as good as they think and get the attention they want from you. Talking to someone more attractive or successful than they are will make them feel inferior, which can blow their ego. Number 6. Ignore them completely. Narcissists don't react well to negative attention. If you want to make a narcissist jealous, ignore them completely. Just pretend they don't exist, and they'll go crazy about it. Suppose you can show them that they don't have control over your life or happiness without their presence in it. In that case, they'll start feeling jealous of your independence and confidence in your abilities. You don't need them, and neither does anyone else. Narcissists are insecure and have low self-esteem. They constantly seek validation from the people around them. Narcissists need their victims to tell them how great they are and how much they mean to them. Number 7. Stop seeking their approval. You can only make narcissists jealous by not giving them what they want. Do not give them the constant praise and recognition they get from everyone else in their life. Stop seeking their approval. Once you seek their consent, this will be an opportunity for them to control the situation and make you feel dependent on them. Don't let them make all of your decisions for you because they'll start to feel like they own you. Don't ask them for help when it comes to something you can do yourself. Don't let them know how much money you make or how well your business is doing. The more you try to win their love by doing things for them and being how they want you to be, the more they'll take advantage of your kindness and generosity. Number 8. Work on yourself. To make a narcissist jealous, you have to be the best version of yourself. Your most attractive, most confident self. Narcissists are always looking for opportunities to feel superior to others. So when you start doing things that make them feel like they're no longer superior to you, they'll turn green with envy. If you can show that you're strong and confident, it will be hard for them to compete with that. Narcissists love to bring people down, so show them you're trying to improve yourself by doing something new or working on a skill that interests you. If you're overweight, start eating healthier and exercising. If you're unhappy at work, find a new job to help you grow. If you don't like your hair color or how it looks, get it dyed or cut. If you want to improve your confidence, take classes in public speaking or learn a new language. And if something out there intimidates you, whether it's an obstacle course or a board game, challenge yourself by doing it. Once you've made these changes and started working on yourself, you'll make the narcissist feel friend. Number 9. Be happier without them. Narcissists are jealous of anyone happy without them. They want to be the only ones who can make you happy, and they don't understand why anyone would be happy without them. A narcissist will always take your happiness personally, and they'll be jealous that you're getting along without them. Narcissists are very insecure people, and it's important to remember that their behavior reflects them, not you. If you're happier without them in your life, they were never actually making you happy in the first place. When you're happy and fulfilled in your life, it's like you do not need the narcissist anymore. You can be happier in many ways. It can mean having a solid support network of friends and family who love you unconditionally, or finding meaningful hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Refuse to play into the narcissist's games and focus on being happy with what you have and who you are. Number 10. Keep busy with your friends and activities. A narcissist will most likely be jealous when they feel like you've abandoned them or have moved on to something better than them. The easiest way to make a narcissist jealous is to keep busy with your friends and activities. If you spend all your time with a narcissist, they will feel like they have a monopoly on your time, making them feel more secure in their relationship with you. Narcissists don't like feeling ignored or unimportant. So if you have other things going on in your life that are more interesting to you than the narcissist, they'll feel left out. The best way to deal with a narcissist is to become completely self-sufficient. Narcissists are most threatened by people who aren't dependent on them. So if you can be independent and keep yourself busy with your friends and activities, it will be harder for the narcissist to manipulate or control you. Jealousy is a very powerful emotion that can be used to manipulate a narcissist. Making the narcissist jealous can be tricky, but under the right circumstances, you might even succeed in making them one. Just do keep in mind that narcissists are not ordinary people. They can be dangerous at times. The best way to make them jealous can be done subtly. Be confident in yourself and your worth. Do what you want and don't let them control you.